Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Uday #technical. Today we will discuss types of constants in C. C supports several types of constants. One, numeric constants, and second, character constant. Numeric constants has two types, integer constants and real constants. And character constants are two types, single character constant, string constant, backslash character constant. First we will know that what is numeric constant. Numeric constants are digits that may or may not have a special decimal point, and it is negative or positive numeric value, that is either a numeric constant or fractional point. As an example we can say 181 and 8.78 and minus 5.67 and minus 628. It is consists with digits. So these examples are called numeric constant. Rules of numeric constant: must have at least one digit, embedded space, commas or any other special symbols are not permitted between digits. As an example we can say 23,550. Here we see a space between digits, so it is not permitted. Next 50,000. This number has commas, and next the number has a special symbol, so these examples it's not permitted for numeric constant. Third, it can be positive or negative. If no sign precedes integer constant, then it is assumed to positive. As an example 56, there is no sign before the number, so 56 is positive. But when we say minus 56, then 56 is negative integer constant. What is integer constant? An integer constant refers to a sequence of digits without decimal point. There are three types of integer: decimal integer, octal integer, hexadecimal integer. Decimal integer. Decimal integers consists of set of digits from 0 to 9 preceded by an optional minus or plus sign. Valid examples of decimal integers are 123, 6534, minus 678, plus 785. Here these numbers are consists of digits from 0 to 9 and preceded by an optional minus or plus sign means, here in this example minus 678, here before this number minus sign is presented, and plus 785, here before this number plus sign presented. So the sign is optional in the decimal integer, but any space, commas and non-digit space are not permitted between digits. Example 2356, 37,000, $6,785. In these examples, this number contains space, commas and special symbols, so it is not permitted as decimal integer. Next, octal integer. An octal integer constant consists of any combination of digits from the set 0 to 7 with a leading 0. Examples of octal integer are 054, 06754, 0321, Here these numbers are consists of digits from 0 to 7 and the numbers start with 0. And next, hexadecimal integer, a sequence of digits preceded by 0x or 0x is considered as hexadecimal integer. They may also include alphabets capital A through F or small a through f. The latter capital through F represents the numbers 0 through 15. 10 equals to A, 11 equals to B, 12 equals to C, 13 equals to D, 14 is equal to E and 15 is equal to F. Examples of valid integers are 0x2, 0x9f, 0xbcd. Note: larger integer value that can be stored is machine independent. To store larger integer constants on the machine, we will use appending qualifiers such as u, l and ul to the constants. For examples, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 capital U and 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 small u, it is considered unsigned integer. Next, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 ul, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 small ul, it is considered unsigned long integer. Next, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4 l, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4 small l, it is considered long integer. Next, real constant. Integer numbers are inadequate to represent quantities that vary continuously, such as a distance, heights, temperatures, price and so on. These quantities are represented by numbers containing fractional parts like 34.678. Such numbers are called real or floating point numbers. As an example, temperatures 98.4 and heights 5.6 inches and distance 6.5 meters. Examples are consist decimal point and these are consist with fractional point. Examples of real constant: 0.0083 minus 8.75, 465.35 plus 65.0. The real or floating point constants can be written in two forms: decimal or fractional form, and next exponential or scientific form. Decimal or fractional form. A real or floating point constant is combination of a whole number followed by a decimal point and the fractional point. As an example, 218.90 and decimal form or fractional form possible to omit digits before the decimal point or digits after the decimal point. 214 point, it is examples of digits after decimal point, and 0.89, it is examples of before the decimal point. And next, exponential form. The general form is Mantissa e exponent. Mantissa means the part of a logarithm that follows the decimal point. Actually, the part of a logarithm that follows the decimal point, the part of a floating point number that presents the significant digits of that number, and that is multiplied by the base raised to the exponent to give the actual value of the number. For example, 215.65 may be written as 2.1565 in exponential notation. The mantissa is either a real number expressed in decimal notation or an integer. The exponent is an integer number with an optional plus or minus sign. As an examples of legal floating point constants are 09.65E4 and 1.5 E plus 5 and minus 1.2 capital E minus 1. Exponential notation is useful for representing numbers that are either very large or very small in magnitude. For example, 75,000,000,000 may be written as 7.5 capital E9 or 75E8. Next, single character constant and string constant. What is single character constant? Single character constant or character constant contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. Examples of character constants: 6 that is enclosed with a pair of single quote and x that is enclosed within a pair of single quote. And what is string constant? A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. The characters may be letters, numbers, special characters and blank place. Examples of character constants: hello within double quotes, 1978 within double quotes, 6 plus 9 within double quotes. And next, backslash character constant. C supports some special backslash character constant. C supports some special backslash character constants that are used in output functions. Example: backslash n new line character, backslash t horizontal tab, backslash b backspace, backslash v vertical tab, backslash single quote, backslash double quote, backslash question mark, double backslash, backslash 0 nulls. So we understood several types of constant in C, and later we will learn how do these constants use C programming. Thank you for watching this video.